Good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and I like to colour. It is the 3rd of June, 4th of June. It's the 4th of June and I just wanted to go over what I hope to get done in June. Things change, creative things change, confidence changes, so it's not guaranteed that I will do this, but I have picked ones that I think interest me. So hopefully I will get these done. Sometimes I do change because I just can't get inspired by it. So the first one is this one in Christine Caron's Wildflower Folk. I like to do faces, so I want to try and get a face done every month because faces interest me. They're just so interesting. And I do prefer older faces because they have more character, more lines. But these ones are, fairies, so I like fairies. So. And the little blackberries, I think they're blackberries or raspberries, whatever they are. Oh, and a butterfly. That's awesome. A butterfly. I love butterflies. Give me more butterflies. So yeah, I don't like butterflies. I do like butterflies in nature. I don't like butterflies just poof, poof, poof all over the place. They don't interest me. I don't particularly want to colour them. A bumblebee or a bee, yeah, it's alright. Actually, I saw I'm Australian, in case you didn't know, and I lived in England for a couple of years, and I'd heard about bumblebees. I don't think we get them here in Australia. If we do, I have never ever seen one. But I was in England and I was out the back and this gigantic thing just sitting on the ground, and I looked at it and it was a bumblebee, and it was massive, man. It really was. It was fascinating. It was dying because it was dying. I didn't kill it. I tried to help it, but yeah, it was massive compared to our skinny little puny bees. Massive, and so fluffy too. You just want to pat it, But yeah, I didn't. But yeah, that was this one isn't a guarantee because I look at it now and I don't feel anything. That's how I go. I go by how I feel and what I'm feeling. Like, I think this one, to me, she might be darker skinned. Now, I have never done a darker skin before, so in order to do this one, I'm going to have to be feeling confident within myself. Because if I want to do dark skin, I want to get it right. Because I think she can be absolutely beautiful with a nice, brown skin and brown or black hair. I think she'd be absolutely gorgeous if I could get it right, and I need to have the confidence to do that. So hopefully I do, even though she's called a troll girl. Is that insulting that I want to do her a darker colour and she's a troll girl? I don't mean it that way. Maybe I might do her white. I don't know. Maybe I do a purple. I don't know. But yeah, so that might change because there are quite a few in here that I am interested in doing. I really like this book. I did have her new one, Wondrous Folk or something like that. It was supposed to come out in Australia on the 6th of May, and I had it ordered, and then they took the money and then they said unavailable, don't know when it's coming, so I cancelled it. And yeah, I've seen her showing pictures of it, but yeah, Australia doesn't have it yet, even though it did say the 6th of May we were supposed to get it. But I don't know, maybe I read it wrong. Maybe I was drunk again, I don't know. I get drunk a lot. I don't. So Kirby Roseanne's Mythic World. I'm actually doing this one today. I wanted to do this one because, I don't know, I go by what I like. And this one, I want to do her in, so she's going to be white, like a, is it a geisha or a geisha? So she's going to be white with red mouth and maybe a little bit of makeup. The makeup's going to be hard because she's got such a small face. A little bit of bronze on the legs, and I'm going to add hairs to it once everything is done. That will have to be at the end, because if I add them before I've done that, then I'm just going to end up colouring over them. Normal spider web, maybe, I don't know. I was going to do that orange, but looking at it, if I do that orange, it's going to look like a nearly sort of pumpkin, a pineapple. So I don't particularly want to do it yellow. I actually have an urge to do it green, and the tissue paper or whatever light green and the flowers dark green. But I've done green smoke before, and I don't want to do the same thing over and over again. But I can just see that green and the background green, her with a white dress with red trim, and these green probably. Yeah, the spider web, just a normal spider web. That's what I see, and that's what I want to do, but I just don't want to constantly do the same thing. But I don't want that orange because, well, pineapple. I don't particularly want it yellow either, because then it would look like a lemon. Yeah, I guess we'll see what I do. I'm starting that one today, so we'll see what mood I'm in. It probably will be green, knowing me, because I've already got green in my mind, because I could see that green with the dark green flowers, and I think that will look good. And that will be wood, and that will be wood and wood. And yeah, that's that one. So that one I'm doing today, so that one's definitely getting done. Now, just because I like doing faces, I know most people probably won't have this book, but oh no, this one I didn't choose a face, did I? It depends what mood I'm in. Either I will do this little fairy house, or I would no. Yeah, that's the one. If I'm in the mood for fur, then I'll do this one. Or maybe I might do them both, because they don't seem that intense. There's not much background, which is awesome. Absolutely awesome. So yeah, I might try and get 2 done. Actually, this little fairy house did have a background in it, but I suppose you could just do it like blue, something different, blue sky. Yeah, it just depends what I'm feeling. I do want to do this one, so I might try and get both of them done. And that's just for me. I know probably most people don't have this book, but I actually don't mind it. This one is if I'm in the mood. Well, they're all if I'm in the mood, but this one is Luna, because I don't absolutely love her style. They're quite easy pictures, but yeah, if I'm in the mood for doing some fruit, which I don't know what that is. I did initially think strawberries, but I don't think they're strawberries. They're upside down. They look like, are they strawberries? Because they've got seeds on the outside. Maybe they're pears. No, I don't know. They look like apricots or bottoms. They look like blackberries. So they'll be blackberries or raspberries. No, they won't be blackberries because the background's black. I think they're cherries. I don't know. And that's a squirrel. We don't have squirrels here in Australia, but I did see them when I was in England. Remember the first one I saw, I was absolutely fascinated. Stood there for ages just watching it. Probably looked like an idiot, because I think they annoy the people that live there. My sister lived in Canada for a few years, and she said the squirrels would go and eat all her fruit trees or whatever, and she hated them. And this one is obviously Dark Fairy Tales. This one is my I feel like doing one, so I haven't actually picked one that I'm going to do in here, because if I pick one, then I'm going to probably change my mind, because yeah, this one's just my happy book. So I'll do it because I want to. I do like this page. I do want to do this page. But there's no way I could do Red Riding Hood a different colour. Red Riding Hood has to be red. The trees will be brown. Yeah. Yeah, so there's no way to do that one different. I was actually thinking of doing the Ugly Duckling one, but I don't know. This one here, also, so both of these ones interest me. So it will be a, I'm in the mood for this. I do like Rapunzel, but I don't want to have to do all that. I have to be in a particular mood for this one. And I know I keep talking about moods, but sometimes I'm in a mood for intricate things, sometimes I'm in a mood for different things, and sometimes I'm in a mood for a face. And I can't get out of that mood, so I have to do whatever it is my mood tells me to do. This one I could do, and would be interesting to do, but then I'd have to do all this as well. So I have to be in the mood. I do like this one too. Not so much that one, because they remind me of the Wizard of Oz. Didn't she have flying monkeys? Yeah, they remind me of the flying monkeys in Wizard of Oz. I didn't like that. Yeah, this Beauty and the Beast one, it interests me. But yeah, it's going to be whatever I feel like doing on this one. And that is what I plan to do. It could change. It could, I could add more. I could do less. Like today's the 4th of June and I haven't started colouring yet. I've had a couple of days off. So I'm going to get started on the Jaragumo, whatever it is, the Japanese spider woman. I'm going to get started on that today. Hopefully finish that one tomorrow. And yeah, that is my plans for this month. I do go away at the end of June, and it's my birthday at the end of June, and I've got to get my tongue cut probably at the end of June. I've also got to get a crown put in my tooth, which is going to be all sorts of fun. So June is not going to be a fun mouth month. Anyway, that is my plans, and hopefully you'll stick around to see what I get done, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.